Hello folks, we just got to moose camp unloaded. I went up there, my stuffs, something got in there. Hey, hey, see that folks, something got in there. Come here. Gotta be a big bear. Come on this way. Here, look here. Okay, just ripped that open. Huge bear, I guess. Let's take a look here. Hey! Hey! Look at that, yeah? Come. Look at that. He got in there, folks. He came in and ripped it. Let's go this way. What was that? Right here? Look how he got in, folks. Right here. Here's the hair. I think it's a wolverine. It must have ripped that right out, look. Come right here. Look at the pillow here. Here's the pillow. He ripped up. He got in right here. See a little space? They're smart. Right here too, look. Let's go this way. Look. We'll have to try to get whatever is around the cabin. We can't get dangerous. Yeah, we'll put our stuff back in, nail this, and we'll continue on the movie. Fixing the moose camp. Hunting with Outdoors with Mike. Educational channel. Stay tuned, we'll get cleaned up here. And I got a trail cam. We'll set up a trail cam and find out what's going on here. Those nails are like air nails. Like dum dum dum. He must have just grabbed underneath and lift it. All right, folks. Stay tuned. Over there. Wait. Not too close. Okay. Get good footage.
Yeah, I'm recording.
thinking it's a bear. I had some dog food right here for my dog. He must have smelled that dog food trying to get it. And I had my blanket and my pillow right there. So he must have went in and then grabbed that pillow and blanket. But he didn't find the food. And he ripped out some stuff. I'm thinking it's a bear. Oh shit. It's not very good on this side. I nailed that side first. Couldn't nail this side first. Soft. Needs better. Needs some paint. Something's bugging my... He was bugging before I even came. Now I had dog food, he went in there. This plywood's soft, he must have just ripped it out. Okay, cut. Hello guys, I think I know what kind of animal. See here? Here, look, right here. I think it's a bear. Look, the claws right here. I'm pretty sure it's a bear now. Bear's tall. He grabbed this. See that? It's got to be a bear somewhere. We'll have to keep our eyes open. I'm thinking now, put a barrel like a beaver and sit on top of the cabin and try to get them, or else down by the river here, bait them in. Yeah, okay. Stay tuned, folks. We'll get her all cleaned up. Hello, folks. Nailed the board back on from the bear pulling it out. I still gotta clean up the pillow mess, and we'll work on in this video we're working on the river view. Take out trees, we'll tree thin some trees so when we sit here we'll make a good sitting spot.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. Sound right, boys.